Yum! C'est bon!
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy one-pot pasta recipe. All you need is some cherry tomatoes, basil, some whole grain spelled spaghetti, and some seasoned frozen vegetables. You can get them at any supermarket. So the next step is olive oil, and then sunflower oil. I mix olive oil and sunflower oil because I don't want the taste of olive oil to be too strong in the pasta. Now I'm putting 3 teaspoons of salt because the vegetables are already seasoned, so I didn't put too much salt. Now I'm pouring 1 liter of hot water in the pot. I'm adding a half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now we have to mix it really good. And you have to stir it from time to time while it's cooking. Now that the pasta is nearly done, I'm adding 200 grams of cream. And then 250 grams of crème fraîche. Mix the whole thing really good. And then add some olive oil. And now the pasta is done. Looks amazing. It's really good, really tasty. Try it and tell me in the comments if you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the recipe.